Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download an offline translation file, thereby being able to use the translator even when you are offline, so you don't have a Wi-Fi connection or data. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on either the source or target language that you can find at the top of the screen. And now if you scroll down, you will be able to select from a vast variety of languages. So you can download those languages, next to which you can find this download button. So if you have found the one that you would like to download, tap on the download button next to it. As you can see, there is a download button. Tap on it, and now the download will start in a second, meaning that you will be able to use the translator even when you don't have any data or Wi-Fi connection. So it's a really useful option. But you can also do this by tapping on this section in the middle of the screen. Here it is offering you to download French file, so you can do that as well if you tap on it and repeat the same steps that I have just showed you. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.